Feels so long since I've done a video. It's like, what do I say again? How do I, you know what I
I
mean?
was just saying, hey, we're gonna start this trail. It's called the Secret Canyon Trail.
All right,
We had
well,
four
yeah.
by 4 to get here.
Yes. So we're about to start Secret Canyon Trail. You definitely need four-wheel drive to get here, no question about it. We got to use our beautiful 4Runner there to get here. So we'll hit this trail. It's 5 miles in, 5 miles out, and we'll have some fun. Tag along. Hidden deep within the heart of Sedona's iconic red rock country lies a secret. Welcome to that secret, Secret Canyon Trail, a 10-mile out and back journey, offering 895 feet of elevation gain and a moderately challenging experience, but the rewards. Ah yes, rewards, absolutely breathtaking. As we journey through Secret Canyon, it's important to remember that this land holds layers of history, both geological and human. The red rocks surrounding us weren't always like this. They were sculpted over millions of years by wind and water, creating the dynamic canyons and formations we see today. Long before modern hikers arrived, this area was home to indigenous people. For centuries, Native American tribes lived in and around these canyons, using them for shelter, hunting, and spiritual practice. You can almost feel their presence as you walk these trails. It's fascinating to imagine the stories these rocks could tell. This area, being within the Red Rock Secret Mountain Wilderness, has a long history. It is said that in earlier times that this area was a place where people tried to live in seclusion. Stories exist of earlier settlers using the remote location to avoid outside attention. Also, there are stories of being used as a hideout. The trail itself, while maintained, retains a sense of wilderness. It winds through the canyon, following the natural contours of the land. This sense of being in a place that has changed very little over time is part of what makes Secret Canyon so special. Got stabbed by a tree. Yeah. Lunch here? Let's do lunch. It's pretty right here. I think that's a good place to stop. So we didn't quite do the full 5 miles one way in. We ended up at 443. Water's pretty dang sparse, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Once you get past, I think, what do you say? Like the 3.5 mile marker?
Yeah.
It's, I mean, you got to get the full next mile in to see this kind of. But yeah, that like 3/4 of a mile isn't really much, huh?
No.
Yeah, it's not bad though. I mean, it's beautiful. So worth it. I'm glad we did it. It's a bit hard to follow.
There's a hole there, though.
Huh?
Okay. Make sure you didn't fall in that hole.
Oh, it's a bit hard to follow in some areas because you can tell it's not very well traveled. But that's the nice thing about trails like this is they're not very often traveled, so you get to talk to a camera and no one looks at you funny. Just my wife. So, as you explore Secret Canyon, take a moment to appreciate the history that surrounds you. From the ancient forces that shaped these rocks to the people who called this place home, every step is a connection to the past.
this the pack? Is this the pack where I dropped my water bottle? That is funny.
It is. It is the pack you dropped your water bottle.
Can you shut this back here?
Yeah, shut it.